Hey, dreamers! Are you about to take your first flight ever? Feeling excited or maybe a little nervous? Don't worry. Today I'll walk you through everything step by step so your first flight is smooth and even fun. Before you even get to the airport, packing right is key. Make a checklist with essentials like ID, passport, and boarding pass. Bring comfort items such as headphones, snacks, a water bottle, and a neck pillow. Remember the 311 rule for liquids with containers under 3.4 ounces in a 1 quart bag. Pack smart to avoid last minute panic. Arrive 2 to 3 hours before a domestic flight and 3 to 4 hours before an international flight. Head to the airline counter or use a self check kiosk and drop off checked luggage if you have any. Get your boarding pass and confirm your gate. Take a moment to locate restrooms and your gate early to save stress later. Security can be intimidating the first time, but you'll get through it. Remove laptops, liquids, and electronics from your bag before reaching the scanner. Keep shoes and jackets easy to remove for a smooth security process. Follow TSA instructions carefully and stay patient. Once you pass security, find your gate and relax. Boarding usually starts 30 to 45 minutes before takeoff. During the flight, listen to the safety briefing because it's more useful than it seems. Stay hydrated and stretch your legs occasionally while on board. Bring entertainment like music, movies, or a good book to pass the time. If you're nervous about takeoff or turbulence, try deep breathing or look out the window to distract yourself. When you land, stay seated until the seatbelt sign goes off. Collect your belongings and head to baggage claim to check any checked luggage. Follow signs for customs and exit if you arrived on an international flight. Congratulations, you just completed your first flight ever. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more travel tips, and comment your first flight experience. Remember, flying is just another adventure waiting for you, so safe travels.